Hi Dresser Cuties, Wayne here. Today we're going to draw a unicorn girl from LOL's NaNaNa fashion doll. So let's get started. To draw this cute unicorn girl, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw the bottom of a U. So come right across, nice and wide. So say about right here. And connect at the bottom with a curve. There, so we just have this wide, big wide curve. From there, let's come back to the side where we started, and on the edge, close to the edge, we're going to draw a big circle. And let's do the same thing on the other side. So about right here, close to the edge. Draw another circle. From there, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, now that we have the circles in, let's spruce them up. And now that we have the eyes in, let's spruce them up, and let's come about right here. We're going to draw a big curve for a lash, thicken it up, and let's add one at the bottom and one at the top. And let's see, it's the same thing on the other side. So one long, thicker lash, and then one at the top and one at the bottom. Then from there, let's come to the top of this eye about right here, and I'm just going to draw a soft curve over the eye for the brow. Just thicken it up slightly. And same thing right across. There. And then let's give this girl here a sweet smile. So say about right here. Go ahead and draw a curve and goes up slightly and cap it off. There. Okay, so now that we have the face in, let's come and bring this curve up a little bit more, kind of to like where the brow is, this area. And from there, we're going to start to draw a curve over the brow, and because we need to draw this little unicorn hat that she's wearing that's pretty furry. So let's go ahead and we're just going to draw a curve. But as you draw this curve, if you like, you can come in here and just add some zigzags here and there, just to make it look like fur, hopefully. So here and there, I'm just adding a little bit of zigzag and bringing the curve down. There. Then let's bring this out a little bit more. So we're going to bring it down so we have room for the hair. So bring this down a little bit more, about right there. And then from there we're going to go up, and we're just going to start to draw this hat at a big curve. But before we finish the hat, let's come to the center, about right here, and I'm going to draw my horn. So using that as my center point, I'm going to go draw a curve, come to the center, nice and high, so say about this much. Round off the tip and come down with an angle line to connect. And I'll come in here with some details and add some curved lines to give our horn some dimension. Then from there we can go ahead and finish our hat. So we're just going to draw a curve right back to here. But like I said, if you like, you can come in here and there, just draw these zigzags as you go up, just to make it, just to give it that texture. So about right here, come up, and we're going to start to go down. So here and there, just zigzag it and down. And then in here, you can give it even more texture by just coming in here with some zigzags as well. So just here and there. Now that we're done with the hat, let's come up about in this area and we're going to draw the ears. So come about right here and go up, curve, and come down. And let's draw the inside. So just follow your outside. So same thing over here. So approximately about right here. Same thing, curve and down. And once again, draw the inside to finish off the ears. From there, let's work on the hair. So right here, she has a strand of hair right here. So about in this area, let's draw a curve close to her brow. And then we're going to come up and bring it all the way down. Right there. Then we're going to come out right here in this point and curl out with a curve. So same thing here, curve out with a curve. And then let's work on her body before we finish off her hair. So let's come back to the center and give her a tiny little neck here and here right in the center, and curve it out, and shoulders. So same thing here, curve it out and shoulders. Then let's give her a little neckline. So I'm going to bring in a curve right here and another curve right there. So let's imagine her armpits. So let's say about right here and here. Give myself 2 points. And from there, I'm going to start to draw her dress. So I'm going to draw this angle line that's a little bit curvy. So just a little curve to it. Tiny curve. So it's not too straight and too flat. We just want to give it some volume. Then from there, let's bring this curve right here for this dress that she's wearing. And here. So let's bring the dress down. So it's a short little dress. So let's bring this curve all the way down. A little bit more. Okay, so let's say about right there. I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. Go up and going down. Just to give it some flow. Then from there, let's work on the legs. So once again, right in the center, I'm going to give myself 2 points. And let's work on this leg first. So it's going to get thinner as we come down, like all the legs that I draw. Okay, so bring it down. It's going to get thin towards the ankle area. Now for the feet, I decided to make it kind of a little bit pigeon-toed. So let's come out and we're going to flare it this way. But don't go past the center. So about right here, I'll stop. Then bring this part out for a heel, down and connect. So that's the shape you want to create. So once again, same thing on the other side. So towards the ankle, nice and thin, then same thing over here. Nice and thin, and then we're going to curve towards the center and come out. Heel, down, and connect. There. From there, let's add some details. So work on this side first. The sole the curve right here, and then the shoe. So the shoe ends about right here. I'm just going to draw a curve. Then the two sides right here. And I'm just going to simplify and draw this big bow right here. And so same thing over here. There. And then she has this super cute unicorn socks, which I love. So come right here, nice and high. We're going to draw a curve, and then unicorn ears. So tiny, but I'll try my best here. And then let's see, about right here I'm going to draw oval, and then the eyes, two little dots inside. Hopefully you can see that. And then there's these rainbow stripes. So there's three of them, 2 and 3. So same thing on the other side. There. Okay, now we have that in. Let's finish draw her arms. So I'm just going to have them to the side, nice and simple. So let's just bring out a sleeve right here. Just going to bring it in, and let's come and draw her hands coming out. So shoulders, it's just going to curve down, and we want her hands to end about right here. So bring out a thumb and her fingers. Just flare it out a little bit and then in. You can add a little finger right here in the back. So same thing here. About right here for sleeve. And once again, I'm just dragging a point across, approximate. All right there for thumb. And her hands. There. Now to finish her gorgeous hair. So I'm going to come about right here and just add some curves here and there. Just to make it look very full and curly towards the bottom. And here. And so let's do the same thing over this side. And in. And let's see, we can just draw this one strand detail here and here as well. There. And last but not least, of course, I'm going to add a heart right here in the center. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this unicorn girl turned out. That was inspired by LOL's NaNaNa fashion doll. So thanks so much for watching. I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me, and that inspires you to draw it too. Make sure to turn on your notification bell and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.